Hi everyone, Daily Crafted here. As you recall, I unboxed this Tokidoki origami paper. So I thought we could make just a simple butterfly. It's really cute. They have other butterflies that have the pointy wings, but I like these rounded wings better. So I have a pair of my scissors here, and I have the squeegee. I don't know as far as like if you worry about, using your fingers full, but have the squeegee if you want like really sharp lines. That's up to you. But this was a little squeegee from Amazon that I'd gotten with one of my other projects. But with the Tokidoki paper that we're going to use, it is 6 inches by 6 inches. So if you're cutting out your own paper squares, that's the size that it would need to be. So let's go ahead and kind of went ahead and got one picked out. So it's really cute. So let's put that over here. And so working with the design on one side, I'm hoping that I'm doing this right. I practiced with this one, but I forgot what I had done. So I've kind of folded it like that so far. Made sure we didn't line this up exactly right. Should still be fine. This is a pretty forgiving fold. Okay. Just crease it down good. Do that. I'm still kind of new to this, so I'm just going to make sure those are creased really good. So we're going to have like these little flaps. Just fold that in. Okay, so like little area there, just like that. And the middle is right there. I'm just going to trim that. Hope that was enough. So it's going to have like a kind of look to it. Okay, so I'm going to take it and kind of move that in the middle. So it's going to kind of look like a little heart. Line it up with that middle fold. And just kind of take this and bring it up. Like a point right here. And just kind of pinch it and fold it like that. So there you have your little Tokidoki butterfly. It's all cute. You can make like a little mobile out of them or whatever. And, you know, just little different decorative things. You could use them as on top of gifts as decor. So yeah. So I hope you had fun just trying this, this just like easy peasy first. I mean, this was like my first thing that I'd done in origami. So I did try some other things. I tried the crane. So maybe we'll do that some other time if you liked this video. And I might just do it anyway because this is really fun. It's kind of like a lost art or something. But, alright. Hope everybody has a great day and have fun with everything you do. Take care. We'll talk with you later. Bye.